Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do the listening practice, and I've been uploading multiple videos on YouTube regarding speaking, but today I'm going to listen myself because that is also the important task if you are a English learner and if you want to basically improve your speaking and listening and writing and reading. All these things are very important and very crucial, because if you cannot able to understand anyone, so how would you going to be reverted back? So that is very important task. So you can see my multiple videos over that. I have used one platform which is called Scout, where I have talked to random people who are foreigner and they also come to here. You can see this video, and there are other videos as well where I done like practices. So I'll just see one practice video and find out what I can be basically do better. So just starting from this video, hold a second. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This side Manish, and I'm an English learner, as you guys know. So in this specific video, what I'm gonna do is I pick out some sort of cue card, and in that cue card I basically did nothing, just make keywords, and then I try to speak in this video. If you are a beginner in English language, then you can definitely do the same things for improving yourself. So let's get started with topic. So today's topic is about describing an item that you bought and you spent more time than a usual. So it is kind of topic, and let's get started with this topic. So let's get started. If I talk about myself, like I do bought some sort of books in my life because I want to enhance my knowledge, because in every field you need to able to gain some sort of experience from whosoever are in that field. So that is why I took some sort of books that is gonna help me in my career, and so that is why I've read all the books that is related to my career. So yeah, these things I do basically, and I also suggest people to do the same. And yeah, I bought some sort of books, and basically I have spent a lot of time in there, and I want to improve myself in for future. So that's why I do read some books and related to my things. And I bought it from like online Amazon. It cost me around 500k, and this is kind of things that I do spend time more on this, because earlier I was focusing on social medias platforms, like I was consuming some sort of data in every platform. Like there you can say that there is a lot of varieties of application that you making addictive, and that is like making your focus lot less impactful. So this is the thing happen, but I just completely close all the things, and that is why I am kindly focusing on YouTube also. That is also a thing, my attention also over this YouTube channel. So yeah, I will basically want to create a business and treat this YouTube as like a business. I know that I didn't able to get some sort of things that I want to do in a small span of time, but yeah, maybe if I've been practicing, so in future, like if you are working consistently on something, then you will definitely get some sort of reward. Like I've been getting it, like I've gained 85 subscribers. That is more than enough for me, like in the last 1 year, because I am nothing, and I've seen my earlier videos. In that particular videos I am not able to completely speak like a single word. Like I'm speaking right now. So yeah, this kind of things happen to everyone's life. If you are confident about yourself, if you are having belief in yourself, then nobody is gonna destroy you. It's only you who destroy you. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys get some sort of knowledge from this video. This is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Bye bye. Have a great day.
So this was a kind of very confident video which I uploaded, and I feel like very positive about myself, and this is very eye-opening basically video for me, because I felt like very low in voice today onwards, like currently, and but in my previous days I'm pretty confident and straight to the point. That is a very helpful for me. In upcoming days I'll try to basically speak like that and yeah, I'm very excited to upcoming to upload upcoming videos as well. Bye bye, have a good day.